Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in the additional, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 1st, 2023. It's actually Sunday today, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and usually I solve the puzzles in the additional of the Saturday edition, but we have no additional in the Saturday edition. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Friday, March the 31st, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the last puzzle. Yeah, it's a Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be number 6218. Yeah, 6218. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19, but it's also indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Faster than 50 minutes. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Dual boxes? No dual boxes. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 or a 3. 1 or a 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a triple box, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Same for here. We have a triple box here. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, this triple box 1 is a given, so the other 2 boxes should be the 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 3 and the 4 is already given, so the other 2 should be the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy. The next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Rotated, this one. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. Let me draw this here. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's 2 or a 3. 2 or 3, alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only one S or Z construction. You need to rotate this, you will get the S. Okay, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, only 2 shapes. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, construction, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 3 there. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 here in this area. So not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there then. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. Alright. Okay. Let me see. How about 3? Yeah, these should be the 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So and that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We already have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5 then. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 3, this box can be a 4, so 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. We have a double 4 there, that means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 there, the 4 is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 3. This box can be a 3. And that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. Not a 3 there, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. Now we have 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 4 and is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes round the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in the squash area. Should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in the squash area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Think. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 here. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers. So 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers. 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. Then. Let me see. Let me go up. Yeah. 3 and the 4. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then, yeah, and I need to think now. Well, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Come on. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 2. This box can be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. It's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, so 1 is left in this W area shape for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the lights, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus, all kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. In the evening, I will solve the last puzzle. It's a samurai Sudoku. Yeah, I need more than an hour to solve that puzzle. My goal is to solve it within an hour, but I do not know if I can manage that. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.